FAQs about Hoodia Gordonii. As someone who's always curious about the latest in health and wellness trends, I've dived deep into the world of Hoodia Gordonii. If you're like me and have been hearing a lot about this plant, you might have some burning questions. In this article, I'll address the most frequently asked questions about Hoodia Gordonii, covering everything from its benefits to where to buy it. See more 13 species in genus Hoodia at monsteraholic.com. What is Hoodia Gordonii? Hoodia Gordonii is a succulent plant native to the Kalahari Desert in southern Africa. It has gained popularity in recent years for its purported weight loss benefits. Traditionally, the indigenous San people used it to curb hunger and thirst during long hunts. The plant contains a compound called P57, which is believed to suppress appetite. Does Hoodia Gordonii really work? The effectiveness of Hoodia Gordonii for weight loss is a topic of debate. Some studies suggest that P57 can reduce appetite, but there is limited scientific evidence to support its effectiveness in long-term weight management. Personal experiences vary. Some people report a decrease in hunger, while others see no significant difference. It's important to approach Hoodia Gordonii with realistic expectations and consult a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. What is Hoodia Gordonii good for? Hoodia Gordonii is mainly marketed as an appetite suppressant. Its primary use is to help with weight loss by reducing cravings and hunger. However, it's worth noting that while it may aid in controlling appetite, it's not a miracle solution for weight loss. Combining it with a balanced diet and regular exercise is essential for achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. Is Hoodia Gordonii safe? Safety is a crucial consideration when it comes to any supplement. Hoodia Gordonii is generally considered safe for most people when used as directed. However, there are limited long-term safety studies, so its effects on overall health are not fully understood. Some users have reported side effects like nausea, dizziness, or headaches. It's advisable to consult with a healthcare provider before using Hoodia Gordonii, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Is Hoodia Gordonii safe while nursing? If you're nursing, you should be particularly cautious with supplements. There is insufficient research on the safety of Hoodia Gordonii for breastfeeding mothers and their infants. It's best to avoid using Hoodia Gordonii while nursing unless you receive explicit approval from your healthcare provider. Always prioritize the health and safety of both you and your baby. Where to buy Hoodia Gordonii? Hoodia Gordonii can be purchased from various sources, including health food stores, online retailers, and specialty supplement shops. When buying Hoodia Gordonii, it's important to choose reputable brands to ensure product quality and authenticity. Look for supplements that list the percentage of P57 and have undergone third-party testing to verify their contents. What is the best Hoodia Gordonii product? Choosing the best Hoodia Gordonii product involves looking for high-quality supplements that are pure and have been tested for efficacy. The best products should contain a high concentration of the active ingredient, P57. Read reviews, check for certifications, and consult with a healthcare professional to find a product that fits your needs. Hoodia Gordonii vs. Garcinia cambogia. Hoodia Gordonii and Garcinia cambogia are both popular in the weight loss supplement market, but they work differently. Hoodia Gordonii is primarily an appetite suppressant, while Garcinia cambogia is thought to work by inhibiting fat production and increasing serotonin levels. Both have their proponents and critics, and their effectiveness can vary from person to person. If you're choosing between them, consider your weight loss goals and consult with a healthcare professional to determine which might be more suitable for you. How to care for Hoodia Gordonii? If you're growing Hoodia Gordonii as a plant, it's relatively easy to care for. It thrives in well-draining soil and requires minimal water. The plant prefers a sunny location and should be protected from frost. Overwatering is a common mistake, so it's best to allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Can you grow Hoodia Gordonii indoors? Yes, Hoodia Gordonii can be grown indoors if you provide it with the right conditions. It needs plenty of sunlight, so placing it near a bright window is ideal. Ensure that the pot has good drainage and avoid overwatering. Indoor conditions can be slightly different from outdoor environments, but with proper care, it can thrive indoors. Is Hoodia Gordonii toxic? Hoodia gordonii is not known to be toxic. However, like many supplements, it's important to use it as directed and be aware of any potential side effects. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult with a healthcare professional. Benefits and common problems. The potential benefits of Hoodia gordonii include appetite suppression and support for weight loss. However, common problems include varying effectiveness and potential side effects. It's crucial to manage expectations and consider Hoodia gordonii as just one part of a comprehensive weight management strategy. By addressing these FAQs, I hope you have a clearer understanding of Hoodia gordonii. Whether you're considering it for weight loss or as a unique plant to grow, it's essential to make informed decisions and prioritize your health.